Well, here we go, guys. Off on another one. Well, this was our path to get over here. And this was the creek crossing I was looking for. And now it says go off trail. But, I mean, somebody blazed it. But you can clearly see there's a trail up there. Let's go see what it is. Well, we made it. Somebody else jumped in first, but here's the first one. Here's the top of this one. It's only about 15 foot high, maybe 20. There's Monstro down there. And there's another one right there. And here we are at the other set. Chops is obviously enjoying it as always. Well, thanks for watching, guys.